Good morning. Okay, we are day 3 of our Tenerife vacation. We are now in La Caleta and we start for a little wandering, wandering to Playa de Salinas. 1 hour and a half. Let's see what. Let's look what we can discover in this hike. Okay, we hiking around, wandering around. Yeah, we are lost sometimes. Wandering is not.
So it's a good word for us.
it explains what we
do sometimes.
do sometimes wandering around. But it's all about to have fun and to enjoy life, and with the sun in our back. Hiking is even more beautiful. Wow. Good place to work out here. Wow. Between these little rocks here, there are this. Wow, it's really warm. Don't forget the water. Okay. Oh yes. Ooh. Wow. We have a new apartment here in Tenerife. All little caves here. It's full. Wow. Oh. Even some stairs. Wow. That's a nice little discovery. Ooh. Yes. Come on. Yes. Great.
Girl, but now you shine. Caressing my mind, spirit, and body. Don't trip, no, I'm getting better day by day. It don't matter when things went wrong. Let it go and release control. Ride down waving, sun shining on the finest private island. This is the perfect timing. So let it flow like water, water. Let it flow like water, water. Just let it flow like water, water. We're gonna do what we wanna, water. Girl, you're the rhyme and the reason, but you don't know what you don't know. I can't deny that I need you. I slipped and fell for a stone cold killer, girl. Rock me whole world, you the one, girl. Hypnotizing, mesmerizing, a new horizon. It don't matter when things went wrong. Let it go and release control. Ride down waving, sun shining on the finest private island. This is the perfect timing. So let it flow like water, water. Let it flow like
I hope you like the little drone images. Here the beach is full of hippies. If you like to be naked on the beach. Here on the beach there are a lot of hippies and this is a naturalist beach. All alternative people. Maybe we're going to visit next. Oh, maybe better not film too much. YouTube is family friendly. I love to explore the island this way. Hello, baby.
Is this free? Yes.
Yes, you can sit. Little pit stop over, but the rhythm is really slow from the waitress. Take your time. If the restaurant, the bar is full, not always logic. Okay. And after a beer. Okay. Now we go to take a look on the wie weit?
Playa de Salinas.
Now we go to we hike to the Playa de Salinas.
Oh yeah.
We look for a restaurant maybe, and if the restaurants are not so good, we take a taxi and go back to La Caleta, and there are plenty of good restaurants. My advice for you, La Caleta. Now we are in the favelas. They're all little wooden houses. Yeah. Also in Tenerife there are a lot of poor people. I got a little bit strange feeling to pass through their houses. Yeah. The houses with wood and built with wood and mattresses. Okay, very interesting. Playa Paradiso. Naturalista. Okay.
Aber auf seine Art und Weise wieder auch voll ist.
Mhm.
Schau wie nett.
Yeah. We don't know if there are poor people or it's only for poor people, or there are hippies or outsider from the society. Some of the little houses are so beautiful with a little garden. Like here. But the hiking track is on this way. We don't go purposely on through their houses or their homes. So strange. Here you have the favelas, and there you have here a little bit camping, and up there you have the luxury resorts. That's the world. That's real life. Okay, Playa de Salinas. Yeah, it's nice, but it's not our type. Our style. Now we look for a taxi, and then we go back to our car in La Caleta to eat there something. Back in La Caleta, now it's time to eat and enjoy. Time to eat prawns, garlic prawns and Iberico pork cheek. Okay, the cuenta is here, 80 euros. Salitre, it's a little bit high pricey, but you eat with this view. It was 8.5 out of 10 for me, and for you?
Yeah, 7.
7, okay. More critic. This was the restaurant Salitre in La Caleta. Yeah, it's high pricey for the location, but it was good, but not the high level that you expect. Okay, next stop, Playa de las Américas. We're trying to grab the last sun. Whoa! Oh, shoot. I think here the nightlife is vibrant and very active. Let's look how long we can survive tonight. But
We try.
we are trying to catch the last rays of sunshine here, and we did it.
We are lucky.
We are lucky. Early enough. Wow. Wow. Very nice beach here. Moments like this, absolutely worth it. Oh, much more. Here the style and the vibe is a little bit different than in Adeje. Maybe next time, Playa de las Américas.
We have one more day tomorrow
Yeah.
to explore.
One left, and then we have to get back home. If we go home.
Turn up the temperature, turn up the radio. I wanna soak up every moment, take it nice and slow. Get out the picture, pour some pink lemonade. 'Cause spring is over and the summer's here to stay. I got this feeling, this season is gonna be the best thing that's happened to me. And it's got me singing. Ooh-wee, gotta break free, running up round in the summer heat. Like ooh-wee, feeling this beat, dancing around in the summer heat. Like ooh-wee.
Now we are in front of the Hot Dog Cafe. I think that's the main square here. In a pub, and yeah, let's try some cocktails or something. At least this is pretty big. It's called Paris, our place. Looking for a restaurant. It's not so easy. Okay, our drinks are here. For Anita, pina colada, and for me, hot pussy. It's called like this. We went to this Asian restaurant in the hotspot of Playa de las Américas. It was extremely loud, with music blasting while we ate, but the vibe was on point. Okay, the place was called Imperial Taipan. It was good, fully packed, really action, loud music in the restaurant. How much out of 10?
7.
7, yeah, for me too.
Very nice
7.
service.
Good service, but it was not my type of food. Very good place to shop in this spot here. And with this, we end the vlog. See you tomorrow.